mess I have got going on here. But what's that? The wheels came in. Alright guys, wheels from RC4 wheel drive got here. Got the black steel bead locks and the white steel bead locks for the Element. Those will be installed later. So far I've did a test run and I've done one of the black ones. And I put it on the RGT. Here's a little comparison with the two. Beastie. I put the I don't know if that's too blurry or what, but I put the RC4 wheel drive Banggoood KM3s. I decided to put these guys on the RGT. Give it some added weight on the bottom that it needs. So, open this bad boy up. Get my little podium out here. These are the tools that I'm using. This wrench will not fit the nuts that come on here. I have some axial wheel nuts coming in. Thought I got the right ones at the hobby shop the other day. They're still too big to fit in between the narrow opening for the RC4 wheel drive bead locks. The only thing that fits in there is their wrench, and it doesn't fit these nuts. I have a T-wrench that will fit the nut but doesn't fit inside the opening that they give us. So what I've been using to tighten them until I get the axial nuts here is this little set of hobby pliers. They work pretty well. So not quite. And what I like to do, because for some reason if you don't keep them lined up how they come, I just go ahead and mark them. Got my handy dandy red Sharpie over here. It's going to help me with that. It makes it a whole lot less complicated when trying to put these wheels that are complicated back together. So very carefully. Line that up with this guy. That's how we do it. Gonna get our other tire out here. Now the first one went pretty smoothly. Knowing just how things work. This one might not, but we shall see. These tires seem to fit pretty well. Like I said, the first one I did was almost easy, but we shall see. Get them lined up best you can. So I got my mark. You can't really see it. I don't know if you can or not. I got my mark on there, which I'm going to line up with my mark on the front piece. No, blurry, sorry. Anyways, so far it's made things a little bit easier when installing these and putting them together. I also have two shop lights going, a desk lamp and my headlight on to help line these up, because I've been very frustrated with these wheels at times trying to put them together. Although these black ones do not come in 3 pieces like the silver ones did. Nope. All right. So here's the RGT with its original stock wheels. You know, which aren't bad. They're these guys right here. They got some good grip. Really squishy. Airfield, I don't know if there's any foam in there at all. Super light. Now, I installed the RC4 wheel drive bead locks and the BF Goodrich tires on this bad boy. I'm gonna have to do some dremeling right here, probably, most definitely. But look at that, much needed added weight on the bottom of this guy. I can't wait to get this out on the track after I put the other 2 tires on here. Doesn't that look sick? It does. I can't wait to get out there and show you guys how it performs with the new wheels and tires and added weight. Scuff these up a little bit, man. Those pliers, but I am getting new wheel nuts in there to, you know, be able to use the actual wrench that can get in there and tighten them properly 100%. I mean, come on, RC4WD, you make it like you can only use this on axials wheels. There's other trucks out there. But anyways, look at that. boom compared to what it was. Yeah. It's awesome. All right, next time we'll get out there and see what this can do with the updated wheels.